feeling like your legs are getting weaker every day, even from simple things like walking, standing, or climbing stairs. Today, I'm revealing the one powerful food that can instantly boost your leg strength. And no, it's not a protein shake or a fancy supplement. It's natural, delicious, and I guarantee you weren't expecting this answer. Weak legs aren't just about feeling tired. They're often an early warning sign of poor circulation, muscle loss, nerve issues, and even hidden heart problems. According to the Mayo Clinic, muscle weakness in the legs is one of the earliest predictors of mobility loss. And most people don't even realize it until it's too late. But imagine if there was a simple fruit, something you could add to your diet today, that could turn the tide completely. Meet pomegranate, nature's powerhouse for stronger legs. Inside every ruby red seed is a cocktail of compounds that specifically target blood flow, muscle endurance, and recovery. Pomegranate is packed with polyphenol, powerful antioxidants that relax blood vessels, increase nitric oxide, and supercharge oxygen delivery to your legs. In a study from the University of North Carolina, athletes who drank pomegranate juice before workouts experienced 30% faster muscle recovery and greater leg endurance than those who didn't. Another study found that within just 7 days, pomegranate improved circulation enough to make a visible difference in walking speed and leg strength. But it's not just about drinking juice randomly. In a second, they'll show you the exact method to use pomegranate for maximum leg power. Here's the magic. The natural nitrates and polyphenol in pomegranate trigger your body to release more nitric oxide. And think of nitric oxide as your body's natural muscle lubricant. It helps blood flow smoothly to your legs, feeding your muscles with the oxygen and nutrients they need to feel stronger and work longer. It's like flipping a biological switch that tells your legs, "Wake up, let's get stronger." To get the full benefit, here's what you need to do. Drink 1 small glass, about 200 milliliters, of 100% pure pomegranate juice daily. Or eat half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds. The best time, 30 to 60 minutes before exercise or morning walks. Pro tip, mix the juice with a little bit of beetroot or lemon juice if you want a double power nitric oxide effect. But wait, there's a tiny mistake many people make with pomegranates that can actually cancel out the benefits. I'll explain in just 30 seconds. Mistake number 1, buying pomegranate juice that's loaded with added sugar. Extra sugar can actually stiffen your arteries instead of relaxing them. Solution, always choose 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugars or flavors. Mistake number 2, skipping the seeds. The seeds, not just the juice, contain muscle-boosting fiber and vitamins you need for full-strength benefits. Solution, whenever possible, eat whole seeds too. Want to go even further? Pair pomegranate with foods rich in magnesium and potassium, like spinach, bananas, or almonds. This trio strengthens your nerves and muscles even faster, reduces cramping, and supercharges your legs' performance. So hayrrace your simple action plan. Drink 1 glass of pure pomegranate juice or eat half a cup of seeds daily. Avoid sugary juices. Combine with magnesium-rich foods for maximum effect. Your legs are your foundation. Start fueling them with the right food, and you'll feel the difference within days. If you're excited to try this, comment "strong legs" down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share this video with a friend who struggles with tired legs. They'll thank you later, and you might just change their life.